The question that we will be solving today is sort array by parity. It's an easy level question. In this question, we are given with a array nums. We need to move all the integers to the beginning and all the odd integers to the end, and return any array that satisfies this condition. So looking at the example, we have first example, that is nums with 3, 1, 2, 4. So we have two odd numbers and two even numbers. So we place all the even numbers at the beginning of the array and all the odd integers at the end of the array. The question is simple. Now let's just code it out. So we'll be solving this question using two pointers, that is left, which is assigned to 0 initially, and next is right, which is initialized to the last integer last index of the given array, -1. And then we'll have to check if left is less than right for each iteration. Let me give spaces over here. Then we need to check if nums of left, that is the very beginning element, is even or not. If it's even, mod 2 is equal to 0. This says if the number is even or not. If it's even, then just leave it there, plus plus. And then we check if the right elements, right, is odd or not. Mod 2 is equal to 1. This gives us if the integer is odd or not. If it's odd, then we leave it as it is, plus plus, minus minus. And if the left element is not even and the right element is not even, odd, then we have to swap left with right, because left will have the odd values and right will have the even values. At that time we need to switch these elements. That is what we'll be doing here. We'll take a temporary variable called temp, and then we'll assign the value to left element this way, and then nums of left will have the value of right, and the nums of right will have nums of left. And then we have to increment left by 1 and decrement right by 1. And then finally we need to return nums. This is the solution. Oh, where did we go wrong? Oh, here, swapping, we did a mistake. How can this be nums of left? It should be temp. I didn't look at it while typing. Yeah. So now talking about the time complexity, we are going across the given array once. So our time complexity would be big O of n. And the space complexity, since we are not using a lot of variables here, two variables which is fixed, that is left and right, the space complexity would be big O of 1.